Hey Bloomies, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're transforming our study space into the ultimate productivity zone. Ready for a makeover? Let's dive in. Declutter and organize. First thing first, let's declutter. A today's space laid to edit in mind. Start by removing everything from your desk. Sort items into three categories: keep, store, and toast. Only keep the essentials on your desk. Essential supplies and tools. Now, let's arrange our essential supplies. You need your laptop or computer, a notebook, pens, and other frequently used items. You can use organizers or small containers to keep everything in space. It's all about functionality and accessibility. Lighting and ambience. Good lighting is key. Natural light is the best, but a good desk lamp works wonderful too. Make sure your space is well lit to avoid eye strain. You can add a touch of ambience with some, for example, fairy lights or small plants. It makes the space more inviting and can boost your mood. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is crucial. Make sure your chair is supportive. You should be able to sit comfortably for a long study session. Consider adding a cushion for extra support and ensure your screen is at eye level to prevent neck strain. It's really important, especially when you do assignments in laptop. It's a very challenging homework, right? Personal touches and motivation. Add your personal touches to make your space uniquely yours. You can add photos, motivation quotes, and colorful stationery. It can make studying more enjoyable. Remember, this is your space. Make it a place where you love to spend time. And there you have it, a perfect study environment that's organized, comfortable, and inspiring. Let me know in the comments how you've transformed your study space. So for me, it was basically not a big deal since it was only a bit messy. But if your desk is really overloaded with books and stuff you don't need, this is really helpful, I guess. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more study tips and lifestyle inspiration. Happy studying!